Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Eileen, and today I'm going to continue on with my little monthly series of showing you some of the wigs I have worn in the previous months. So this is some of the wigs that I wore in January. Of course, I can't show you all the wigs I wore because you know I change my look every day. Different color, different brand, different style. I don't like to wear the same one 2 days in a row. That's just me. And so I just like to show you some of the ones that I wear during the month. Now this is not a wig review. If you follow my channel and you've seen these videos, you know I've already reviewed these wigs. I will link those videos in the drop down box below this video. So just go to the drop down box and you will see links to all of these that I have reviewed. I just want to show you, it's just an overview of some of the ones I wore in January. If you're new to this channel, welcome. I hope you will like and subscribe. Hit the little bell notification. I upload a couple times a week and you will be able to see everything I upload. Alright, let's get started and look at some of the wigs I wore in January. Okay, this is Belle Tress Bona Vita Root Beer Float Blonde. This to me is a great everyday wig. If you're looking for something for every day, now these are heat-friendly fibers, but I just think this is appropriate for everything. For work, for a night out, it just works. Lace front, mono part here. Here's the coverage. Really good coverage. This fit me perfectly. I have a 21¼ inch head circumference, so you might see how this would fit on you. I love these face framing layers. And this color, wow, I love Root Beer Float Blonde. Really nice rooting on this, not overdone in any way. Belle Tress Bona Vita. This is Henry Margaux Fiona 2726H. This is a favorite. You've seen me wear this many times. This has a lace front, a mono top, and this fits me quite large, just so you know that. I have pulled this all the way in. Nice Henry Margaux fibers, of course. Really good coverage here on this one. I have Fiona in 2 or 3 colors. I just think this is another nice, really, just for any occasion. I can't imagine where you couldn't wear this. And you can also pull this off and clip it, dress it up, put a sparkly pin in it. It just works. This is John Renault Maya in 12 FS12. Has quickly become a favorite. I like these, all these waves, these beautiful curls. This fit me a little large as well. It has a lace front and a mono top. Great coverage. The ear tabs come right here on me, just so you know. All these curls are so pretty. This is another one that would just look beautiful, pulled away from your face. Beautiful John Renault fibers, waves, it's got it all. Noriko Alva in Creamy Toffee Rooted. I think this one makes my every video, every monthly video, I think I have Alva in it. I have Alva in Sugarcane R, Creamy Toffee Rooted, I think maybe 1 or 2 other colors. This is a workhorse of a wig. I think Noriko, of course there's permatease here, as you know, in these. If that's something you don't like, you're not going to like this wig, but I personally like permatease, so I enjoy this wig. Basic cap, no frills here. But you don't need a lace front or anything on this one. You've got these bangs. I use a hot air brush just to bump them under just a little bit. I just enjoy this style, this wig. As long as they make Alva, I'm going to keep this in my wig wardrobe. A definite classic in my opinion, Raquel Welch Flirt Alert. This is SS Biscuit. I think if you are a fan of Raquel Welch, you've probably tried Flirt Alert. I think it's one of their most popular styles. Throw on and go. Lace front. Let me show you the coverage. Really good coverage here. Here's my bow hair here. The ear tab comes right here at the top of my ear. Beautiful curls, waves here. Flirt Alert fits me a little large. I had to pull in the adjusters on this one, but it comes in so many beautiful colors, and it's just one you should try. This is Henry Margaux Farrah in 12AH. This is another style that I think is really professional, easy to wear, nice layers here. You can wear it behind your ears or all down. Has that gorgeous mono feature, like I said. You could clip this back. Very professional. Run some styling product and you are ready to go. This is Jamison in Sunlit Blonde, of course, Aesthetica Designs, lace front. Mono part, but sunlit blonde. It's just released recently. Beautiful color, very, very wearable. I want you to see the shading. Such a good job by Aesthetica. Beautiful coverage, really good. Now, this fits me quite large. Jamison is one of my favorite wigs. You have seen me show it to you many, many times. But like I said, this fits me large. Again, I have a 21¼ inch head circumference. Now I know a lot of times people ask me, will that fit me? That is a very hard question for us as reviewers to answer, because even though we might have the same head circumference, our ear to ear could be different, our front to back could be different. So I can really only speak to how things fit on me with my head circumference and how it actually fits on me. This fits me a little large. I've had to take it in a good bit. So if you have a little larger head circumference, this might possibly work for you. And like I said, this is just a classic for Aesthetica Designs. This is Ellen Villa Dance in Candy Blonde Tipped. Now, this is another one that I just like to run some water through this. I do not comb it. I have never run a wide tooth comb through this. I don't want to disrupt this curl pattern. I just spray it with some water and put it on, scrunch it a little bit. You could use some sea salt spray, whatever you would like, and throw on and go. Has a beautiful lace front. Great coverage here. Now, as you know, Ellen Villa are known as petite and average. Now, however, some of these wigs absolutely fit a little larger size. This one fits me very large. I have it brought all the way in on both sides with the adjusters. Now, like I said, it's hard to say how things will fit other people, but for me, this fits large. Not all Ellen Villa just fit petite average, so keep that in mind. When you find a wig you like, try to see as many reviews as you can on it from different reviewers and let them tell you how it fits on them. But this one absolutely, I believe, will fit a little larger head size. Renea Paris Carson in Rose Gold R. This is a fairly new release for Renea Paris. It has a lace front. I always like to let you see that. I really like how this just has a little bit of a wave here, a longer front, which gives it that versatility to pull back. You can style this in different ways. Really nice new release from Renea Paris. Another new release from Gabor. This is Curves Ahead in SS Sandy Blonde. This is another one that just requires little to no effort. Put it on, run some water through it. Gorgeous lace front. Now, I'm a big fan of Gabor shading. If you like rooted wigs, but some of them feel too stark for you, be sure to check out Gabor. They just know how to root these wigs, just shade right in. It is not stark in any way. I hope you enjoyed a look at that. Some of the wigs I wore in January. If you like these series, please leave me some comments below. Again, please like and subscribe to my channel. Follow me over on Instagram. Have lots of fun things there. And I also have a Facebook page, Crazy Wig Lady, and a website, Crazywiglady.com, where I sell some of my private collection there. So be sure to check that out. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.